There, now you're recording. See how it says flashing red, F-R-E-C? And it's flashing? That's how you know it's recording. Okay? Come on. Where are you going? Hi. Who's that? Who's that kitty? Did you get a kitty today?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Molly.
Molly? How old is she?
9, 1 yet.
Yeah, she's 3 months.
Come on.
She's a nice kitty.
I know.
You gonna look after her?
Yeah. Want to get down.
She's a pretty good kitty, I think.
Can I put her up there?
No, no, no. Why don't you let her walk around a bit?
Can I put her on here?
You're not holding her properly.
Here, I'll bring her to my bed quickly. She's actually smart.
She's very smart. She's very loving. You're very lucky to have a kitty like that, you know? Aren't you glad you didn't get that other miserable kitty? Isn't she the perfect kitty?
Can she ride on her? She's gonna ride on her. Let me put her back on. That was crazy.
She's like, what are you doing to me? She's still purring. That's hilarious.
I know what she would get. Can you get that pony, please?
What?
Me
What
and
are you
her are gonna ride on her.
Oh.
Hey, get her. I usually do it on the bed.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I'll get her. Come on. Get it.
Oh, don't jump with her. She won't like jumping. I can't believe she's still purring through all this.
There you go. She doesn't want it.
No? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make some noodles. Okay?
What kind?
What kind do you like? Aww.
Mom?
I'm glad you love your kitty.
Mom?
What?
Can you make that kind of noodle?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
What kind is that?
It's Alfredo.
Oh yeah, make that please.
Okay.
I love that.
Okay, babe.
Can my kitty sit with me on my door chair?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it right now, and we're gonna
Oh, you don't want her on the table though, not where you're eating. Okay, on your lap. Yeah.
Want to try it? Choo-choo. She's actually gonna get used to this. Do you know what? This looks like the black train that was like staying there forever. Standing there.
Yeah, by the fair.
Anybody here?
No.
Dave left.
He went to go get the kitties some scratching posts and stuff.
And where's Haley?
Haley went home.
Can I get her?
No.
Why not?
Oh.
What? Here, she'll sit beside me. There you go. There you go. You can sit beside
She
me.
doesn't sit like that though. She sits like a cat. So
Here, she'll sit on my lap. Right now, she does.
She's a pretty tolerant kitty, that's for sure. I can't believe she's still purring through all this. Okay, so I think she's had enough. I think she's been pretty
She's staying
understanding.
beside me.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Let's go. She's actually purring a lot.
She's really purring. She's really happy. I think she likes her new home.
Can I see her face? Yeah, she's smiling.
Yeah.
Smile.
Aw.
She actually wants to sit beside me.
Yeah.
She's actually grateful. Oh, God.
Okay, I'm gonna make supper.
She's going to stay with me. I think she wants to get down here.